Quick pop over the middle. That is complete, and Jordy Nelson off to the races. 30, 20, 10, and out of bounds.
Well, the
Jerome
Raiders
Baker tracked him down.
felt that the middle of the field was the way they want to attack today.
That's where the Dolphins have been susceptible, especially against the Jets, was the middle of the field, attacking that middle zone. We mentioned at the top that Rashad Jones is not going to play today. They have a couple of young linebackers.
On 2nd and 8. Carr throwing, end zone, wide open, touchdown to Jordy Nelson. His first as an Oakland Raider.
Jordy Nelson's going to be lined up at the point here. He's going to come in and he dips. You watch. Kiko Alonso's right here. Safety over the top. He goes back. He sits. Jordy Nelson gives a little dip like he's going underneath and goes right over the top to the open window, and Carr finds him perfectly.